Team, we've got a problem. The crane's stuck, and the cargo's dangling.
I see it, Rescue Sub. This is tricky, but we'll figure it out.
I'm moving in closer. The crane lines are shaking. Stay alert.
Hold on. I spot a safer route around the rig. It's narrow. The hook's starting to slide. We're running out of time.
If we hurry the wrong way, we'll lose the cargo. Follow my lead.
Steady, steady. Almost there.
The clock's ticking, but I see the move. Sea Turtle, guide me in.
All right, straight ahead, careful angles. One clear move. Now!
We did it! The cargo's safe and stable.
Great work, everyone. Watch, plan, act calmly. It really